Hi, I'm Linda, and we are at American Tent Sidewall, and I am the production manager of the company. We manufacture party tents, so the great big vinyl tents that bring people together. We do all different sizes. We do custom sizes as well as the standards. Family activities, weddings, graduation parties, and companies. We make tents for wineries and different businesses where always bringing people together. Basically, when I come in the morning, I start by checking over the schedule of what we need to produce for the day. Some people do the same job on a regular basis, and some people float from one machine to another, so I decide who needs to be in what place. There's a lot of opportunity for growth.
I was living in the homeless shelter, and nobody would give me a shot at a job. I mean, being an ex-felon and, my current state, I really had nowhere to go. My back was to the wall. I come in here, not only did she give me a chance, but she gave me so many opportunities. When I first started, I was like doing odds and ends, and then she came to me, she said, would you like to be a lead?
We have air welders, we have RF welders, radio frequency. We have several different kinds of bar tackers, several different kinds of sewing machines. We have a grommet machine, a couple different grommet machines. We have a cutting table that's computerized. Sewing is really an art, and it is my hardest job to fill because nobody does it anymore. Well, I think manufacturing offers a lot more opportunities than people think. Your input is valued.